In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to use TradingView replay mode to backtest and practice any trading strategy. Let's dive in. And to access the TradingView replay tool, it's actually up here, just right to the alerts button. So you press on replay right here. And then when you press on replay, you can see that you will have this blue vertical line appearing. And right now I'm recording this on December 28th, as I said, so this is the last time. But by using this tool, we can actually jump back in time. So let's say we want to jump back all the way back here to, let's just choose something random. Let's choose, October 2024. Then we simply press right here. And just like that, you can see that we jumped back in time, and now the price, the last candle here, is all the way back in October 2024. So this can actually be a very useful tool, because you can practice, for example, how would you have traded this chart? It's often much easier to look back at a chart and take a look at, I would have done this, I would have done that. But when you use the replay tool, you get a more sort of live feeling. It's not really the same, because you won't have the emotions you have in a real market. When you're trading real markets, you will feel fear, you will feel greed, and so on and so on. And you don't really get that with replay mode, but it's definitely, still a good tool. And one thing that TradingView has recently built in TradingView replay tool is that you can actually set a profit target and a stop loss level, and you can practice your trading. But so now we are in the replay mode, and I want you to look down to this box right here, because here we have some important buttons. The first one, where you can see it says replay speed. When you click right here, you can see that this is basically where you choose how fast the chart will go once you press play. So if you want a super fast chart, you can choose 10x. That means that you will get 10 new candles every second. And maybe you want to go super slow. You can have one update per 10 seconds. But let's use a good balance here and choose that we will have one new candle per second. Then we just choose 1x right here. And to play the chart, you simply press this button, or you can press shift plus arrow down. So let's play out this chart, and now you can see that the price start to move. So this is exactly what you're seeing on the chart right now, is exactly how the price moved in the past. But now let's actually press pause here for a while, because I want to show you guys a very cool feature, and that is that you can practice your trading while using the replay mode. So what we can do here is that we can actually, if you go up to the upper left corner, you can see that it says buy right here. So we can actually, let's say that we found a setup right here. I'm not saying that this was a good trade, but just for educational purposes, let's say that we found a good buy signal right here. Then we can just click buy right here, and we have a few different order types. You have the market order, so you can see we press market right here. That means that you are buying at the current price. And in this video, I don't really have time to dive deep into all of the different orders. But for now, you just need to know that market order means that we are buying at the current price. And you can see that right now, Bitcoin is at 69,000, or it at least was at that level. Remember, we're looking back in time. But when you click buy right here, then you simply, of course, this is not real money, but you bought with fake money right here. We will talk more about that later, how you can practice in TradingView. But here, you bought at this level. And what you can now do is that you see you have one button that is called TP. This is the level where you will automatically take profit. So let's just say that we choose a random take profit, maybe up here, so up at 5,000. So that is our take profit. And let's say, for simplistic sake, that we set our stop loss, maybe above this, maybe about that recent low, just to show you guys. So now we have a level where we will automatically lock in profit. We have a level where we will automatically sell. And this is a common mistake that beginners make. They they forget that they need to click confirm. So you need to click confirm right there in order for the trade to be active. You know, I think that is on TradingView side, it's a little bit easy to miss. But now we are essentially in this trade, and you can see that by looking at this blue arrow right here. So now we are in the trade, and what you can now do is that we can press play here and let this trade play out. You can see that in this case, I got a little bit surprised because we actually locked in the profit right away. So you can see in just one candle, we you know, succeeded with this trade, and that is of course, you know, amazing. Unfortunately, this was fake money, but I think you get the point. Now we can just, let's speed it up a bit. Let's use 5 candles per second. So now when we press play, it will go much faster. And now just to show you guys, let's say that we want to do a short trade. Then we simply press sell right here. We use a market order, we use sell here. And remember, now the stop loss will be to the upside. So let's say that we have our stop loss right here. Maybe our take profit, let's just choose something random, our take profit down here. We click confirm. So remember, now we want the price to go down. We can play this one out as well, and the price went for a while, but unfortunately here we actually got stopped out. So this was a trade that went against our trade. And now if you want to jump back here to the real-time chart, you can press right there. And here you actually get something cool. You get, when you jump back to the real time, you will get your result. So how did it go for your trades? And here you can see, remember, we did win one trade, but we lost the short trade. So we had a win rate of, 50%. But here, we actually made some profit right here. So you can see your profit in cash, and you can see your best trade right here. But okay, so now I think you have the basics of the replay mode down, just like that. And to exit the replay, you simply press bar replay again here, and you can click on leave. And just like this, we will be back here on the original chart. But right, so now let's take a look at another feature you really... Alright, so this video was just a very short clip from my full TradingView tutorial right here on YouTube. To watch the full tutorial, simply just click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very soon.